I'm going to show you 3 simple steps to make $5,000 by Christmas. Let's get it. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Now guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making some high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions by Christmas, guys, because I understand that you want to start making money, you want to start being able to quit your job. So I'm going to go into 3 simple steps on how you can make $5,000 by Christmas. This is exactly what I did when I first started in May of 2019, and I was still at my 9-to-5 job. So I'm going to show you the exact same framework that I used to make that first $5,000 by Christmas, and it was around this time when I set everything up. So this is the perfect time for this video. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, please subscribe because I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first step if you want to make $5,000 by Christmas with high ticket affiliate marketing is you need to find a high converting affiliate offer. Now, not only a high converting offer, but you also have to find an offer that has higher ticket commissions. I would say no lower than $500 in commissions, but if you can find something where that's $1,000 or even $2,000, it's gonna be so much easier to get to that $5,000 mark. Now, I understand if you're just starting out that selling a high ticket offer $1,000, $2,000 and above might sound really hard to do, but I wanna tell you right now that it's easier to sell a high ticket offer than selling a low ticket offer. The customers from a high ticket offer are just much better because you're providing them a lot more value than like a $7 or a $10 product, okay? Now, that's the first step, guys, is finding a high ticket offer. Now, where do we find these offers? You can go to anywhere like ClickBank and find a high ticket offer there. You can go to obviously Freedom Breakthrough where we have our high ticket offers. A bunch of places where you can find these high ticket offers. What I recommend, guys, is just find an offer that you know is going to help people. This is really critical. If you don't find an offer that is not actually helping people, then it's going to be really hard to sell, okay? And this is the biggest difference when I was starting out, right? When I first started, I was just trying to look for random offers to promote and to sell. When I really found an offer that I knew was going to help people and that I knew actually provided value, that's when it changed for me because I actually believed in the product I was actually selling, okay? Really, really important. I always tell my clients, I always tell my students this, okay? If you can sell that same product to your mom, your dad, your grandma, then you believe in the product, right? Because you're selling it to, you know, your loved ones. So if you guys believe in it so much, then you're able to sell it to your family, then that's a good offer. But it should also be a higher ticket offer. That way we can get to that $5,000, even $10,000 a month by Christmas. Okay guys, so step number 2 is we need to create a bridge page funnel, okay? Really, really important, okay? So if you don't know what that means, essentially what we need to do is on the first page, we need to capture a name and an email, okay? This is really, really important because once we capture that name and email, that becomes our lead. Now we can go ahead and follow up with people if they don't buy the first time around, okay? But the next step is critical, okay? After someone enters their name and email, you want to send them to a bridge page. Now this is where it changed the game for me, okay? Because with the bridge page, you're essentially giving authority from you to the affiliate product, okay? So it's essentially a 30-second to 2-minute video of you just saying, hey, you know, my name is, you know, Jonathan Montoya, and then thank you so much for entering your email on the last page. On the next page, you're gonna meet my mentor, blah, 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 right? Whoever it is, and then you tell them why they need to get that product, okay? Now I have full scripts, I have pages, funnels that you guys can use. It's all in the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And I literally give you the scripts to write these out. That way you don't have to do this offhand, okay guys? So I'm gonna leave a link down below to the 3-day challenge where I'm gonna give you the script, I'm gonna give you the funnel to be able to do that, okay? Now the next step, right? So the first step in creating this bridge page funnel is you wanna collect the name and email, then you wanna create a bridge page video, and then after that you wanna send them to the affiliate offer, okay? And this is where you send them to the high ticket offer where it can be a webinar, it can be a challenge, it can be a summit, something where it's going to help convert that offer. Okay, what I always recommend if you're just starting out is send them to a low ticket challenge. That way they can get acclimated with the product, with the process, and then after that, then they'll be ascended to the higher ticket product. Okay, now if you're more advanced, then do the same thing. You do the opt-in page, you do the bridge page, but then after that you have them schedule a call with you. Okay, now if you do the schedule a call, you can then get on with people on a Zoom call or on a DM messenger, and you could literally close people on the phone. This is one of the fastest ways you can make money with high ticket affiliate marketing. Now I completely understand that some people don't have the skill yet of selling on the phone or DM messaging, but if you do have the skill, I promise you, you're gonna close way more sales. Okay, but if you don't have that skill yet, that's totally okay. Send them from the opt-in page to the bridge page to a challenge. Okay, now of course we offer a 3-day challenge that our affiliates promote. We have over 5,000 affiliates promoting the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where we basically teach people how to start a business, but then we ascend them to our higher ticket offers. Okay, so that's going to be an easier way if you're just starting out as a complete beginner. I still want you to do the opt-in page to collect their name and email. I still want you to do the bridge page where you make the video, but then you send them to a low ticket challenge. Okay, because then we do all the work for you. Okay, so just to reiterate, guys, step number 1 is we have to find a high ticket offer. Step number 2, we want to create this conversion system, essentially a bridge page funnel. And then step number 3, and this is really important. Okay, so right now, guys, we're in a time that TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts are essentially blowing up people overnight. Okay, it's happened to me, it's happened to hundreds and even thousands of my personal students who are getting on TikTok and creating content, and their content is literally blowing up. Okay, because right now TikTok is allowing people to grow very quickly. Now if you have all those things in place, such as a high ticket offer and a bridge page funnel, now essentially on step number 3, we want to create content on TikTok to get people from TikTok to that bridge page funnel. Okay, now why do we want to do this? Because we have potential to go viral on this platform, such as TikTok or even Instagram Reels, and we're funneling people from this social media, and we're collecting our emails, we're collecting names and emails, and we're getting people through this conversion system. Okay, now guys, right now I 100% believe that every single one of you can make a ton of money before Christmas. Now again, this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not saying that you guys are going to be able to do that, but I was able to do that, and I've been able to help thousands of students with this exact same process. Okay, now that being said, you know, TikTok may go away one day, right? It may not be as good as it is right now, but at the time of filming this video, it's a huge opportunity to start building your email list, building your brand, and start generating high ticket commissions, guys. And I really just want to create this video and show you the 3 steps on how I would make $5,000 by Christmas. And you can do this as a complete beginner, right? You just need to find an offer, set up a conversion bridge funnel, and start creating content. Now, as far as content, what type of content should we create? Well, guys, really simple, right? Find 10 to 20 people that are in your exact same niche, that are doing exactly what you want to do, and simply model their content. Okay, obviously you want to change up the hooks a little bit, change up the actual content, but essentially you almost want to copy it, the framework of the video. Okay, you don't want to copy it word by word, but you want to copy the framework of the video, right? You want to look at why that video did well, and you want to essentially remodel it in your own words, in your own story. Okay, so guys, that's the simple 3-step process on how to make $5,000 by Christmas, guys. And I 100% believe that every single one of you guys can use this exact same process to start generating commissions, whether even if it's $3 commissions or $5,000, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. If you want the step-by-step, if you want my exact funnel, if you want my exact bridge page video, if you want my high ticket offer, then guys, I want to invite you to the 3-day challenge down below, where I'm going to show you step-by-step, click by click. I'm going to show you exactly how to collect emails, how to set up the funnel, everything you need to know to create a high ticket affiliate marketing business. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this was of value. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. And we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.